guys, welcome to my channel. If you're watching me for the first time, then hi, my name is Kalpana. What's up? How you all are doing? Diwali is so close, just few days away. So I thought of creating super glamorous, ethnic or desi Diwali look, and this is the look that I have come up with. Super sexy, so ethnic and so apt for Diwali. If you want to know how I got this look, then please keep on watching. Also, if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. To prep my skin before makeup, I am using rose gold oil from Indulgio. This will just hydrate my skin well and make sure my skin doesn't look dry out after all the products that I apply. So this is festive look. I just want my skin to look plumpy, hydrated and nice. I'm just giving this oil few seconds to get absorbed in my skin, and then I'll move to my foundation. Alright, so for foundation, I am mixing two foundations today. First is this L'Oreal Infallible and the second one is Nykaa Skin Genius. Dotting all over my face. With the help of Damn Beauty sponge, I'm just going to blend this foundation in my skin. Taking little more of L'Oreal Infallible. To cancel out the pigmentation on my face, I am using Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. Using LA Girl Pro Conceal to further conceal under my eyes. Now I'm setting my base using the loose powder from Maybelline. Just taking this in my brush. This brush is from Lakara F004. I'm just lightly setting the places where I applied the concealer. I have dry skin, so I will not be setting my complete face. Taking the beauty sponge to really press down the products in my skin so they just blend with my skin well. Our base is done. Let's move to the eyes, and I'm doing my eyebrows using the Innisfree eyebrow pencil. Just making hair-like strokes in the front. So the eyeshadow palette that I'm using today is from Makeup Revolution. It is their Flawless 4 palette. It has got such beautiful colors. You can see beautiful shimmer colors and everyday browns, pinks. If you are looking for a nice affordable eyeshadow palette that you can use for your regular looks as well as glamorous festive looks, then I highly recommend this. This retails for I think 1800 or 1700, but trust me, this is so beautiful. And also this was the first eyeshadow palette that I got for myself. So yeah, this is kind of special for me. Alright, moving to the eye look. I'm taking this light brown colors, mixing these two colors for my transition shade and placing it in my crease area. I'm just blending this color to make it very smooth. I'll keep adding the same color in my crease until I get the desired color. I'm switching my brush and taking slightly smaller and flatter brush which has fluffy ends and taking a more deeper brown. So I'm mixing this and a little bit of this. I'm placing this color just below the first color to further darken my crease. I'm just blending the second color with the first one so that everything looks smooth and you cannot really see the boundary of any color. With a clean blending brush, I'm just softening the edges. So for shimmer, I'm going for this beautiful golden shade and I'm picking it on my finger and just pressing on my eyelids. Blending the edges of this shimmer shade. Alright, now I'm taking this black color on a small pencil brush, just a little bit. I'm hardly touching it. I'm putting this black color at the edges to give that smoky, dramatic look. Just take very small amount of black, otherwise it might screw the whole look. I'm just blending this black color in the outer V. Adding black shade in the outer V is just giving that smoky, dramatic look to the eyes. I'm using Chambord eyeliner in black to create a winglet. Now I'm taking my black kajal and applying this in my lower lash line. I'm also tightlining my upper waterline. I'm taking the same brown color that I used in my eyes and I'll just smudge this kajal with the help of this brown color. Before applying mascara, I'm just going to curl my eyelashes with this color. I'm using my Maybelline Sensation mascara. If your eyes are done, it's like 80% of makeup done. So now let's get back to rest of our face. To bronze up my skin really well, I'm using this Rimmel Natural bronzer and taking it into a big fluffy brush. It will just give more structure to my face. Just little bit on my nose. A nice bronzed face looks so sexy. I'm using this Maybelline blush palette for blush today and I'm just mixing this first two colors. Since this is festive look, I'll go a little heavy on blush. I love blushes. Just putting the blush on apple of my cheeks and then just flicking it over, mixing it with the bronzer. Add flick. So your bronzer and blush should look nicely diffused. This peach blush is looking so natural on the skin. A little bit on nose and chin. You can tone down your blush if you think it's too much, but for me this is just perfect. I don't mind this much of blush on my face, especially for the festive look. Like what? So this highlighter in the palette, I really like it, but it is more on subtle and softer side, so it is good for soft, easy, fresh looking makeup. But this is Diwali makeup bro and highlighter should be bomb, so I'm switching on to my Maybelline Master Chrome and I'm taking the highlighter on this brush. This is the brush that I used to set my face with the loose powder. Just applying on top of my cheeks, making sort of a S like this. I've not worn this much of makeup in such a long time, and trust me, I'm just feeling so healed and relaxed and whatnot. I'm just so happy. Makeup is such a therapy for me. Now I'm taking my highlighter on this pencil brush and highlighting my inner corner so that my eyes pop. This highlighter is mixing with my shimmer shade, so I'm switching to this highlighter. I will be spritzing this makeup fixer from L'Oreal on my face so that all the products look so diffused and dewy. For lipstick, I'm going for Lakme 925 Weightless Matte Mousse Lip and Cheek color in the shade Rose Touch. I just love the formulation of these lipsticks and this color is so beautiful. This is like a deep mauve. I'm using PAC lashes today in the number M72. Our makeup is finally done, but no ethnic look is complete without accessories, you know, those heavy jewelries, bindi, dupatta and all that. So I'm going to get my accessories. So this was the complete look, guys. I totally enjoyed filming this. I did heavy glam after so long and I definitely missed makeup. I'm feeling so relieved and relaxed. I've just fallen in love with this look. Everything about it is looking so sexy, so desi, Indian, so beautiful. Oh my god, I'm definitely taking inspiration from this look for my own Diwali look. Please let me know in the comment section what you think of this look, and happy Diwali to all of you. I wish you all have safe and prosperous Diwali. So yeah, with that, I'll see you next time. Please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. You can also hit the notification bell to get notified every time I'm putting a new video. Bye bye.